Imagine typing just a few letters and having full code appear instantly. GitHub Copilot makes that possible. In this video, I will show you how to install, set up, and use Copilot to code faster and smarter in 2025. So, hello and welcome to my channel, and this is actually the start of my new playlist named Top 10 AI Tools for Developers. GitHub Copilot is number 1 on the list, and we'll cover 9 more amazing tools in upcoming videos. So, what is GitHub Copilot? GitHub Copilot is an AI-powered coding assistant created by GitHub and OpenAI. It uses OpenAI's codex model to predict and write code as you type, almost like magic. And also, Copilot works right inside popular editors like VS Code, JetBrains IDEs, and NeoVim, etc. So you don't need to leave your favorite environment. And also, it can generate full function, suggest improvements, and even write boilerplate code, saving you hours of work. So let me show you by creating one function named add-to-dos. Here I have already created a to-do app using HTML, CSS, and I'm going to add JavaScript to run a function here. So I will add script. So as you can see, it already starts suggesting me the function, and I'll show you the best way to create a function. In this position, you just need to type tab, then here it is. You will get the function generated automatically. So now I will show you how to install it. So for that, first of all, you have to go to your GitHub account, go to settings, then click on Copilot features. Here, as you can see, Copilot provides free plan, which includes 2000 codes completion per month, 50 chats requirement per month, and also you will have access to both GPT-4 and Claude 3.5. And for more information, you can go through this doc. So now you have to click on this button, start using Copilot for free. After this, you will see this kind of screen. And also, after activating that free plan, you have to be aware of one more thing of sharing data with GitHub. So if this box is checked, then I will recommend you uncheck this. And by doing so, you will not be sharing your data with this GitHub Copilot. Okay, so that's the setup for this GitHub. Now let us install it in our Visual Studio Code. So in order to install it in your Visual Studio Code, just go to extension, then search Copilot as I have searched here. Then you will get this extension here, and you can see I have already installed it, and you have to do the same. And for changing any account, or if you want to use multiple accounts, click on this settings or manage button, then click on account preference. Then you will have all the account logged into this VS Code, and you can select which is suitable for you. And that's it. In this way you can install it in your Visual Studio Code. And last thing you have to do is to activate the inline code suggestion. So for that, you have to go to settings, search Copilot inline suggestion. So as soon as you search it, you will be able to see this line, inline suggest enabled. So if it is not enabled in your system, just check it and save it. And that's it. As our installation is completed, now I'll show you how to use it. So in order to access this chat, you have to click here. It will open a chat. Here you can ask anything that is required for your project. So, and also it supports multiple languages like Python, C++, Java, etc. So you can create any thing in any language here. And one more feature is that you can add code in between by clicking Ctrl-I. And I will type, please optimize this code, this whole code. So yeah, and it will help me optimize this code and this function. So you can see it has given me an optimized function. So yeah, if it's on you, you can accept it or not. So if you want to keep this, just type accept and remove this previous function, and yeah, you get the updated code here. So and also you can create test cases. For example, just type please create a unit test cases for this function. So you can create anything, you can create loops, you can create API calls, you can create a schema, everything you can create here. So yeah, that's it for uses, and it's on you, it's your imagination, and what you will write, what you will give the instruction to it, it will give the result on the basis of that. So that's it. Now I will give you some pro tips so that you can increase your productivity. Always use clear comments to guide Copilot. For example, type function to create to-dos, and Copilot will generate exactly what you ask for, and clear your instruction, the better the result. And also you can pair Copilot with ChatGPT for even more power. While Copilot writes your code, you can ask ChatGPT for debugging help, architecture advice, or alternative approaches. It's like having two AI teammates on your side. And also don't forget Copilot Labs, where you will find advanced features like explain codes, translate codes, and test generation. These tools can help you understand unfamiliar code bases or quick prototype new features. Some pros and cons are there, like it saves tons of times, supports many languages, and also learn your coding style. But sometimes it may produce incorrect code, so always review, and also require GitHub account and internet connection. So yeah. So finally, that's all for today. I hope you like it, and if you did, please hit thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Hope to see you next time. Bye bye.